So today I will be doing my night routine. I know that's why I go to the bathroom to do my night routine. And my family is spread out, so I'll go back in a second. Hi guys, I'm back. Can brush my teeth. Well, right now. Going to brush my teeth. So it's done. Some soap from down here. Okay, this is soap. I'm not washing my face with my hands and actually just like getting it started. Okay, I'll update you guys when I'm done. Hi guys, I'm back. Oh, my screen's so blurry. See? Yeah. Do my edges. Oh yeah, I forgot to get the Allison gel on. Okay guys, done with that. Now put some lip gloss on. Oh yeah, this is I need some chapsticks. Oh, my chapstick is downstairs and I ain't going nowhere. Okay guys, I'm going to bed now. I will update you guys tomorrow. Bye! Oh yeah, make sure to like and subscribe. And please get this video. I want this video to get to 1,000 views. Yeah, let's try, no, 500 views. Let's try to get the 500 views.